The raised stitch is a pattern made using a set of straight stitches. It resembles a fan and therefore is also called the fan stitch. Let me mark a triangular space on the area above the vertical line to help me guide with the stitches. Begin by making the stem with a straight stitch. Then make another stitch from the tip of the triangle to join the stem. They are almost the same lengths. Now add more stitches on the sides that connects to this stem at the same point. Make at least 2 or 3 on each side. You will see that the length of the stitches reduce each time you stitch. That is our raised stitch. Let us make one without any marking. With practice, it is easy to do. This stitch can be used to add texture to an area or as a botanical pattern. Let me know if you like this stitch. I'm Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery Tutorials. Thank you for watching.